అందరికీ నమస్కారం. టెక్ టాక్ కి స్వాగతం. ఈరోజు మనం బెస్ట్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ టూల్ చాట్ జీపీటీ గురించి మరింత ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అంటే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్ కి ఏఐ డెవలపర్ కి ఈ చాట్ జీపీటీ ఉపయోగపడుతుందా? అంటే హెల్ప్ఫుల్ గా ఉంటుందా? లైక్ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ కోడ్ జనరేట్ చేయటం, సిఎస్ఎస్ కోడ్ జనరేట్ చేయటం అండ్ పైథన్, సి షార్ప్, జావా స్క్రిప్ట్, ఎస్క్యూఎల్ క్వెరీస్ అవునా? అయితే నేను అదే ప్రయత్నం చేసి మీ దగ్గరికి తీసుకొచ్చే ప్రయత్నం చేశాను. ఫస్ట్ టైం కనుక వీడియో ఛానల్ చూస్తుంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. అదేవిధంగా ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ టూల్తో క్విక్గా కోర్సెస్ నేర్చుకుని దాన్ని మనం రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ డెవలప్మెంట్కి ఏ విధంగా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు అనే ఐడియాలజీ బిల్డ్ చేసుకోవాలనే ఇంట్రెస్ట్తో ఉంటే ఫైండ్ ద బిలో డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లింక్స్ టు ఎన్రోల్ టుడే బెస్ట్ ఆఫర్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఆన్లైన్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ కోర్సెస్ అండి. లేట్ ఎందుకు, వీడియోలోకి వెళ్ళిపోదామా? Welcome here. This lecture I'm going to show you a great information how super easily you can learn things with artificial intelligence AI tool. Yes, the trending topic which I'm going to add in here to quickly you can learn anything. As a super engineer, you want to make it with this course. Let's see. ChatGPT. As you heard about this ChatGPT, just simply hit on ChatGPT in your Google. Now the first link you may see openai.com. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and released November 2022. The name ChatGPT combines chat and it's a GPT artificial intelligence pre-trained transformer which is giving you a great conversational information. So let's see how to create an account by click this link. I'll show you clearly I'll show you a step-by-step procedure. It's like a model which is called like a chat GPT, as I told you, conversational way. So click on try chat GPT. Here it's required free to create an account of using Microsoft account or Google, like any Gmail. So click here for sign up. You need to go to choose an option to first time. If you are going to using, all you need to give an email ID. For confirmation it is required for authentication, or else you are having with a Google or Microsoft or any Apple account. Yes, you can create simply by click the option to provide your Google or email ID details to have an account to log in successfully. Once you done it, you will see this is a dashboard for ChatGPT. So how you need to start a conversation? Yes, it's a super easily how you are going to asking a queries and how you can make things super easily. Let's see, I'll show you a step-by-step process of HTML. Where initiating HTML, simply just I'm trying to asking ChatGPT to create a basic contact let's say HTML, no, hypertext markup language, HTML, basic HTML contact form. Will it create a ChatGPT this form with the parameters? Let's see how wonder it is doing. If you know the basic of HTML, so super easily you just try to create a form with ease. Let's see here, doc type HTML, it's a HTML5 what it is, and initiative of HTML block of code, and open and end, head tag, body tag, and here also it is created a form tag inside. It's all parameters, all the tags is created by ChatGPT itself. So knowing and understanding of programming or scripting or style sheets, all you need to learn very basic, very basic fundamentals are perfectly you need to learn. This course help you the basic fundamentals and making you train all the levels which is required to make you strong in your career. So having an understanding of this help of ChatGPT, you will grow your career with ease. So taking this course copy code, it's absolutely use your way. See Sublime Text Editor, if I am using Sublime Text Editor, and here I can create a new file, any of your favorite editor. You just paste in your local machine. It's a local editor I have taken a code and you can utilize. And if you want to add any custom parameter, super easily you just take a copy and take and hit enter paste. Now here it is. Maybe you want to add more, you can add it address on the message address address. Now here that's it. My area of address which I have to take in is a mandatory. It's done. Beautiful. Similarly, I want to make sure to prepare a CSS file this particular form. Is it possible? Let's see. Prepare a CSS style for this form. All you need to know how to ask a query to ChatGPT. Making a beautiful CSS also it is creating. So what you need to know, what is font family, what the fonts are there, background color property and padding. These all are, we explained a particular course with the CSS components. If you understand this ChatGPT is creating a source code for you, all the form and giving you a great experience you will learn with less time quickly and also you will get an explanation what it is created. Great. And come to the next one. Will it be created for HTML and CSS only or any other course also? Let's see. I just asking create calculator program in Python. Will it be created by Python program? Beautifully it is creating methods. So if you know what is method, how to create, then you just take this code and use your computer mission or your real world project quickly. Beautiful. How beautiful it is really, and extra like explanation is also given. So having an idea of Python code running, take a copy of this code and try to test your way. And also, will it be created in a C sharp? Let's check. Create a C sharp like a calculator program in C sharp language. Will it create C sharp? Beautiful. Using system, it's a creating a class, the main class and addition, subtraction, console dot write line. All the code step by step process it is created with the switch cases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 switch cases, and beautifully it is created a code using console dot write line and data types and all right like a while loop it is iterated all interactions. Really awesome, no? Use it. Use ChatGPT conversational AI. Greatly, you will learn many things. If you want, like a, write a calculator in JavaScript. Yes, something JavaScript is also will it be created? Beautiful. See, welcome to the calculator program. While console.log, all the inputs, user inputs according to the first number, second number, the calculation will be done. Similarly, its logic is prepared and used to written for JavaScript. Is it limited to for only these programming languages? Also, will it be helpful for SQL? Let's ask like how to get top 10 top 10 employees salaries from EMP table in SQL query. Let's see. Will it be created for SQL query? Beautiful. Select employee name salary. Example reference it is given from employee order by salary description. Limit to 10. Using a limit clause with the 10 employees if I asked. The complex query, if you want to get it more information, yes, you can get it. And also you can add a subquery to add more productive query. How it is, how to get, how to like yes, get top salary from this. Simply just I'm getting top salary for a query, or top second highest salary. These are the very important interview aspect questions in SQL. Yes, top second highest salary also you can ask it. So for top, it is a simply max method. It is there, top salary, from the top salary is a like a employee. That's it. So beautifully, these all the software engineer where it is required. ChatGPT is a greatly supporting you to try start today and explore more real world AI opportunities, and ensure to learning by doing such exercises, and add on with the great fundamentals and practice more in your way. It help you greatly. I hope so. So start learning with the help of local example along with the ChatGPT AI example, and apply your mind in using AI technologies. Happy learning.